Hi, I'm Tom Bathnot. I'm doing MVP community reporting for Skype Business and Teams, and I'm here with Kevin Isacks of Sonus. Kevin, do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. Hey, Tom. Yeah, I'm Kevin Isacks, VP of Engineering for Sonus, responsible for SPC and products within the Microsoft ecosystem.
Cool. And so, Kevin, you guys have been in the ecosystem sort of from day one, NET days, for those that go back that far. So, what are you talking about at the show today?
Yeah, so we're talking about, as always, Skype for Business and Cloud Connector Edition, and how you can basically enable Cloud Voice or phone system as it's now known. You have to get used to the new lingo. And then, obviously everybody's talking about Teams at the moment. So a lot of people are, wondering what exactly is happening with Teams. And, as was mentioned in a lot of the sessions throughout the week, we're working closely with Microsoft on the solution to be able to make the SPCs work with Teams directly. But, initially, you deploy basically a cloud connector, get it up and running with Skype for Business, and that same SPC can be used to migrate it over. So, yeah, it's a great story.
Cool. Yeah, and that seems to be the story from Microsoft, isn't it? Like, Teams is strategic direction, but today you've got server's not going away, so for people who've got server, they can use Sonus SPCs on server. For people who are going Cloud PBX, or as you say, Microsoft Phone System, you're ahead of me. Yeah. But then there's the CCE option, and in the future there'll be some Teams option, and we'll be able to leverage the same type of SPC the whole way through that story.
Exactly, it's giving you good future proofing, right? So great future proofing, use the same piece of hardware, and you can reuse that compute, right? You can use that compute that's on that CCE. Initially you start off and you have all your users on CCE, and effectively they're using the Skype for Business Online infrastructure, right? And then you swing them over one by one to Teams when it's ready, right? And then once everybody's over, you can reuse their computer. I mean, I know you guys have got some really interesting solutions around that.
Yeah. So modality, use a lot of Sonos, and yeah, we've already got some ideas around how you can use that CCE compute for some other clever things. So if people want to know more about Sonos, where's the best place to go?
Yeah. Best place to go, Sonus.net. We actually just launched a brand new website, so go have a look. You can see all the latest pieces we have. We have a webinar coming up about with the what's happening on the team side long term. But yeah, website's the best place to start.
Great. Thank you, Kevin.
Great. Thanks, Tom.
Cheers.